Hey guys, how's it going, y'all? How's it going, YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, back to do a review and unboxing for a certain piece, which you're seeing here. And this, of course, is from 1995, 26 years ago. Heck, and of course, and you gotta find it for a good price or wait for a price to drop down. For this particular one, it was cheap at times, but you're gonna have to wait for about a few dollars down to purchase this particular item, or when it's on a sale. So, or for any of you collectors out there that collect watches, better wait for a price to go down at least when there's a sale happening, when there's a sale going on, if you get what I'm saying. You can find these on Walmart or any places in the world. And this one is the DW-290, the Casio DW-290. Now, if anybody remembers this design, the look of it, it's very familiar to anyone from the 80s and 90s that were teenagers at the time when Tom Cruise wore this particular watch in the 1996 action film Mission Impossible, where Tom Cruise played the role of Ethan Hunt, of course. And this is coined to this day as the Casio Impossible. The Urban Gentry talks about this watch, and I believe some other YouTubers talk about this, but this one was worn by Tom Cruise in that movie, and it was directed by Brian De Palma. And I was about 5 when this film came out. My buddy was turning 1 that year, and another friend was, I was about 5, but in 1994, my friend was born that year, my buddy was turning 2, and a friend of mine turned 1 that year. And I was about 4 at the time. So yeah, if you're looking very familiar with the designs of this particular watch, I mean, you got to admit the design looks pretty rad. Even the display is telling you it is familiar. The face is very familiar. Now, why would this particular watch look so familiar? I'll get that to you soon. And of course, if you already know the history of 1995, I'm pretty sure you've seen my video about it. And especially, of course, the Stargate watch, which I'm going to introduce you on the side, which, give me a sec on that. I mean, really, I mean, I fit this, I wanted to get it for quite some time, but I bought this a couple years ago, and I'm planning to get another one because, I mean, this watch is screaming. And I think I've seen this one in a low-budget movie called, The Pandora Project with Daniel Baldwin and Richard Tyson and that actress from Under Siege. What's her name? She was a Playboy, Playmate magazine chick. But it had a GPS system, and it also stars Tony Todd. So he wore that particular watch in the film, or the face looks kind of different, but I can tell it's the same. And also, word of advice for anyone that collects watches: get yourself a screen guard for your Casio watch. You can buy these at Amazon, by the way, to make sure you're getting one for your watch, you know. Or is it for your Apple Watch? Is it for your Seiko watch, a Casio watch, maybe a G-Shock watch? Take a look at this. Screen protectors, but you got to find the right model specifically that would fit that one. So yeah. And with that, enough bragging, enough hullabaloos. Let's get to the watch. Oh, one more shot. Yep, definitely the Mission Impossible watch. So, let's get to the watch. Here it is, folks. Here's the box that it comes with. Well, I got it for a reasonable deal. I got it from a time which was in Dolphin Mall, but it's changed now. But my buddy still works in another watch store in Dolphin Mall, but got it for a good price. And with that, let's take a look what's in here. And with that, let's take a little look at the music that I'm about to play, called Planets. The song is called, well, the artist name is Planet Soul with Set You Free. Oh yeah, good soundtrack. Voila, folks. Hold on a second. Okay, module 3221. Did I say that right? 3231. Now, module 3231 is the number, and the band for this is a 3333H2 strap. Oof, hard to adjust with other things in the background, isn't it? There we go. 33H2, folks. Pause it very, very carefully. Yeah, it says it in the back only, not in the front. Yeah, it may have consistency design from the 6900s, but it's not plagiarizing anything. It may look like consistency of a G-Shark. Could have coined this a G-Shark killer at least. Who knows? Wait, though, let's take a look at the functions. Okay, this is not the right year. Alright, that is not the right year, folks. There we go. Today is the 21st. I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. Okay, correct everything. Okay, and then voila. And with that, if I press this button here, you see that little spark, and it would just does the flash alerts. But I'm not going to waste my battery on this. And then let's take a look. Alarm. Alarm. You see the little arrow that's pointing? We were just at alarm. We're in signal. Put it both, and then it disappears. And my personal favorite of this function, which you all know, the timer. My favorite. Pretty cool, huh, folks? And anybody would even remember the year in the 90s. This was a big deal at the time. But I don't even know if it was a coin to G-Shock. Doesn't even have the protection. And among other things, let's see the size for this piece. Heck, let's see how big is this damn thing. It's supposed to be big. Huh. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, there. Okay. The watch of the width from here to left. Okay. It's approximate. Okay. Let me see if I had it right. Let me see if I had it right on this one, and then I'll go to the other. Okay. 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 Hold on a second. Okay. Whoa, this is a day. 45.8. And okay, so you got about, let's check it out again. 45.5 millimeters. Thickness, let's check the thickness. 14.3 millimeters. Alright, let me see the thickness again if I'm not mistaken. 14.4 to be exact. The band and the width of this band is about 19.6. Thickness of the band. This particular band would be about 19.8. Thickness on this particular one would be about 2.6 millimeters. So wow. So in this scenario, let's see how it would look on the wrist. Alright, let's take a look. Wouldn't hurt, would it? Nah, it wouldn't. No. Let's take a look how it would fit. Heck, it wouldn't hurt. Even I could see other people's wrists wearing these, even little kids at times. Well, let's just take a look, see. Heck, it wouldn't hurt. and it fits perfect. Fits very fine. And then it can only fit about approximately about 8 holes. I'm a size 7, folks. So yeah. And also, this would be worn by Steve Zahn in the 2003 film called National Security with Martin Lawrence and Bill Duke. Eric Roberts is in this film, and also Timothy Busfield's in this film, in that film. So yeah. In a much later video, we're going to be talking about watches and movies. So yeah. But in a later on video, not right now at this moment. And with that, let me show a comparison with one of the watches from 1995 as well. Let me just, here we go. Okay, you see them side by side, folks? Yep, this is it. You see their faces? Identical, but the looks different. But the faces, they never lie. Oof, did I just put that at, is that AM? Huh. Dude, we're in the afternoons. We're in the afternoon. Sorry for that, folks. So yeah. You see these two? Sorry for that. Here we go. There you go. You see them? Let's see. Okay, lights. Definitely indie glow. One more time, folks. So yeah, definitely indie glow or green glow or green blue or turquoise. No, actually, electroluminescent backlight or turquoise. What do you think, folks? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna do it for one last time, folks, before signing off, y'all. Ooh, nanny. Damn, it's kind of difficult. I did this easier. Yeah. So yeah, this turquoise or indie glow blue. And let's see how this thing glows in the dark. Here it is, boys and girls. The 290 in glow in the dark. That's right, folks. Take a look at that. I'll leave a link in the description for the other videos from my fellow YouTubers who have this. Tell me what you think of it, folks, of the indie glow. Electroluminescent backlight, that is. It's Luminator, y'all. Luminator. So yeah, give a shout out to the watch collectors out there. This is Sparky Marky Mark signing off, y'all. Take care. God bless you. And I'll catch you, dudes and dudettes, and homies and homegirls, on the next vid. Catch you later.